Vansh and Vanshika's summer vacations have finally started, but now they are getting really bored.
Papa, our summer vacations have started. Yes, Papa, we want to go to a water park.
And what about your holiday homework? When will you do that?
If we go to the water park, our batteries will recharge and then we'll be able to finish our homework quickly too.
Alright kids, fine. Tomorrow we'll all go to the water park.
Water park? Wow!
Seeing the children so excited makes mom and dad happy too.
But kids, make sure you wake up on time tomorrow morning.
Yes kids, we have to leave by 8 o'clock from here. Only then will we reach the water park on time.
Okay, Mummy. Brother and I will wake up early and get ready on time.
After saying this, Vansh and Vanshika quickly go to sleep. The next morning, both of them really do wake up on time and get ready. Mom and dad get ready too, and everyone sits in the caravan and leaves for the water park. After getting the entry tickets, everyone receives colorful wristbands.
Wow, these bands are so cute, Mummy. Papa, I can't wait anymore. Let's go inside quickly.
There's one more thing we need to do first. Everyone has to change into their swimming costumes. Vanshika, you come with me. And Vansh, you go with Papa.
Okay, Mummy.
Vansh and Vanshika quickly change and head toward the swimming pool area. There were lots of people. Music was playing and there were so many fun rides. After changing, both of them enter the pool area. Music is playing everywhere. Rides are running and lots of people are having fun. Mom and dad go to the adult section while Vansh and Vanshika head to the kids section. Vansh gets excited seeing the water tunnel ride and insists on going there first.
Vanshika, let's go on the water tunnel ride first. It'll be so much fun. No, first we're going on the spiral water slide.
Vansh and Vanshika start arguing about which ride to go on, and Vanshika gets upset. Both of them get upset with each other and walk toward their own rides separately. Vansh stands excitedly inside the water tunnel slide, and suddenly, whoosh! Water rushes in and Vansh zooms through the tunnel.
Yay! Yay!
On the other side, Vanshika also slides down her favorite spiral water slide along with the flowing water.
Yay!
Vansh comes out of the water tunnel and splashes straight into a pool. And just a few moments later, Vanshika lands in the very same pool too. Both of them look at each other in surprise and burst out laughing loudly.
Hey Vansh, how did you end up here? Weren't you on the water tunnel ride? Yes, Vanshika. I don't even know how I got here. Vansh, now we should enjoy together. Mom and Dad taught us that we should always play together, right? Yes, Vanshika. Come on. Now we'll enjoy together. Yes!
Vansh and Vanshika give each other a high five and get ready for the next ride together. As Vansh and Vanshika are heading toward the next ride, suddenly they spot Mom and Dad from a distance.
Hey Vanshika, look! Mom and Dad are over there. Yay! Let's go to them!
Both of them run toward Mom and Dad and give them a big hug. Together, the whole family sits on a giant family raft ride. The ride goes higher and higher, and then splash!
Vanshika, today was such an awesome day, wasn't it? Yes, Vansh. And the best part was when we enjoyed the rides together.
See kids, real fun happens only when we are together.
And now tell
Papa.
me, when are you going to do your homework?
Definitely from tomorrow.
Everyone bursts into laughter, and they all sit in the caravan to head back home.
Like, share, subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon as well.